What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Place the following 6 numbers in the triangle below such that every side has the same product. And I said calculator aloud because these numbers are pretty big and that's kind of part of the challenge. So, for example, you could say 2, 3, 4, 300, 225, and 150. And the idea is that the product for every line like this, every side of the triangle, should all be the same. Now, in this example that I've given here, clearly this is incorrect, right? 2 times 3 is 6 times 4 is 24. And on this side, we've got 2 times 150, which is 300, times 225, which is 67500. So obviously these do not equal each other. Okay, hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So the tricky part with something like this is trying to figure out what goes in these 3 positions, because those 3 positions are going to be used multiple times, right? The other question we have to answer is what is that product that's going to be equivalent for each and every side. So I'm going to start with the presumption that these smaller numbers are going to go in these outside spots. So we got 2, 3, and 4 like so. So now to determine these middle numbers, I know that we're going to have 2 times 4 times that middle number, meaning we're going to have 8 times this middle number, which is going to be equal to 2 times 3 times that middle number. So 2 times 3 is 6, so it's going to equal 6y. And then on the bottom we have 3 times 4, which is 12, times this middle number, I'll call it z, should be equal to 12z. So in this very crude fashion, since I know this is the largest multiplier, this is the smallest multiplier, and this is the one in between, I'm going to place these 3 numbers sort of in the opposite fashion, right? So this is the smallest of the bunch. I'm going to place it with the largest multiplier. This is the largest of the bunch. I'm going to place that with the smallest multiplier. And then the middle one, I am going to place it right here. Now we're going to test these out to see if they are all indeed equivalent. So 2 times 3 is 6 times 300 is 1800. We've got 8 times 225, 8 times 200 is 1600, plus 8 times 25 is 200. That again gives us 1800, looking good so far. And then last but not least, 12 times 150. So 12 times 15 is, 10 times 15 is 150, 2 times 15 is 30, that's 180, add the extra 0, and again, we're at 1800. Which means that this is our final answer, boom, done. Now, by the way, you could have had a different variation. You could have had 2 down here, 3 down here, and whatever, as long as those are the outsides. And by the way, there might be other answers that I haven't thought of that could also be possibilities. So if you did find a different solution, make sure to post that in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.